Hey, so I'm gonna review this Element deck that I got off eBay. Gold trunks, and yeah, it's pretty good. Element wheels. It's one of the old school decks. It's not like the old school deck. It's a new school, but the grip tape is like one of the older tech decks, because you can see the difference between them. Like this one, the old school one, the Element, that's got like is skinny and the other one's thick. Writing, this is like more harder. Like these ones you can bend. The normal tech decks that you get these days, you can still bend them. These ones are like pretty much rock solid. It's pretty easy to do some tricks. Black G7 Baron wheels. Pretty good. I think they're just about done. They have the Element sign on them. Gold trunks. Trucks. And yeah, it's pretty much probably the best tech deck you'll find. It's the best tech deck you can find, but like with Berlin Woods and everything, they're better probably than this. But this is probably the best Element deck you could ever get, pretty much. And this is my review of the Element tech deck. Peace.